Mohammad Uzef. I am staying in 4th A class at Sharda Public School. My topic is food and health, nutrients. Food is essential for our body to develop. Food provides us energy to work and play. Food contains substances called nutrients. Nutrients. The human body needs nutrients. Nutrients such as carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, mineral. Carbohydrate. The body works all the time. The body needs energy to work. Food items such as chapati, idli, dosa, pulses, rice, banana, potato. Present in carbohydrate. Fat. Fat also provides energy. Food items such as fish, milk, egg, butter, pizza, paneer, cheese. These all are present in fat. Proteins. Protein helps the body to grow. Protein also need to repair damaged part of the body and injured part of the body. Food items such as milk, meat, pulses, dry fruit, egg. These all are rich in protein. Vitamin. Vitamin help for mention healthy teeth, bone and skin. It helps to fight diseases. Food items such as fruits, vegetables, milk, cheese, chicken. These all are rich in vitamin. Mineral. The body needs many minerals such as calcium, iron, sodium, potassium, called many other. Calcium is rich in milk, fruits and vegetables. These all are rich in minerals. These all are nutrients. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Amrita Sarva. I am explaining about chapter 1, food and health. In food and health, food groups. In food groups, there are 3 types of food groups. They are energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. In energy giving food, there are carbohydrates and fats. Bodybuilding food, there are proteins. Protective food, there are vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy for the body. We need energy for all activities we do. Carbohydrates include sugar found naturally in foods such as fruits, vegetables, milk products, grains, breads, and cereals. Fats. Fats also provide energy for the body. They act as a reserve of energy when carbohydrates are not available. It helps to keep body warm. Example, oil, nuts, ghee, cheese, etc. Protein. It is important for the maintenance and repair of the body. Children require more protein for their growth. Example, meat, fish, beans, cheese, nuts and seeds. Vitamin. Vitamin help to form and maintain healthy teeth, bones and skin. It helps to fight against infections and diseases. Food rich in vitamin are papaya, almonds, sunflower oil, spinach, carrot, pumpkin, orange, beans, etc. Milk. Minerals. The body needs many minerals such as calcium, iron, sodium, potassium and many others. Our body needs calcium to maintain healthy bone and teeth. Calcium we get from milk and milk products, etc. Iron is also a mineral help in the formation of blood. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. I am Viral Nimbargi. I am studying at Sharda Public School in class 4th A. Today I am explaining about types of nutrients. Nutrients means a food item which gives energy for our body. In types of nutrients, they are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, and vitamins. Now I am explaining about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy for the body. We need energy for all activities we do. Carbohydrates include sugar found naturally in foods such as fruits like apples, banana and grapes. Vegetables. In vegetables also sugar, sugar is also found in vegetables like potato and pumpkin. Milk products, whole grains, bread and cereal like wheat, maize and rice and starchy vegetables. These are examples of carbohydrates: bread, potato and sugar. Now I am going to explain about fats. Fats also provide energy for the body. They act as reserve of energy when carbohydrates are not available. It helps to keep body warm. Food rich in fats include oil, butter, nuts, coconuts, ghee, cheese, cream, etc. These are example of fats like oil, butter, cheese and nuts. Now I am going to explain about proteins. It is important for the body maintenance and repair of the body. Children require more protein for their growth. Protein-rich foods include meat, fish, cheese, beans, lentils, yogurt, and nuts and seeds. These are examples of proteins like eggs, milk, meat. Now I am going to explain about minerals. The body needs many minerals such as calcium, iron, sodium, potassium and many others. We need all minerals in to stay healthy in desired quantity. Our body needs calcium to maintain healthy bones and teeth. Calcium for milk products, etc. Iron is also minerals which helps in the formation of blood. Iron rich include rod, meals, dried fruits, greeny leafy vegetables. These are all the example food item of minerals like mango, carrot, meal, fish, pineapple and cherry. I am going to telling about vitamins. Vitamin helps to form and maintain healthy teeth, bones and skin. It helps to fight against infections and diseases. Food rich in vitamins are broccoli, papaya, almond, sunflower oil and contain a lot of vitamin C that helps to fight against infections. These all are the examples of vitamins like corn, brinjal, chili and tomato. So now we learnt about nutrients. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vishwanath Sarjan Shetty from 4th A grade. My subject name is EVS and my school name is Act Sharda Public School. Today we will learn about nutrients. What are nutrients? Nutrients are substances that give energy to be healthy and to repair damaged parts. These are substances in food that living beings need. There are 5 types of nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates. Food items such as rice, chapati, potato, idli, banana and sugar contain carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are also known as energy-giving nutrients. Carbohydrates provide energy to our body. Fats. Foods such as butter, ghee, oil, cheese, fish and cream are rich in fats. Excess amount of fats obtained from food is stored by body to be used later. Fats also provide energy. Protein. Food items such as milk, pulses, gram, and egg and fish are proteins. Proteins help the body to grow. Proteins are needed to repair damaged parts. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are present in food to keep the body healthy. Fruits and vegetables, nuts contain different vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are also present in meat, fish, egg and milk. I hope you understood the topic. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. Today I am going to talk about food and health. So let's start. The human body needs food. Food helps in growing and gives us energy, protects us from diseases. We should eat different kinds of food. Those substances that give us nourishment essential for their life are called nutrients. The different kinds of nutrients are fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fiber. So let's talk about carbohydrates first. Carbohydrates are energy-giving foods. Foods rich in carbohydrates are pumpkin, potato, apple, banana and grapes. Now let's see about proteins. Proteins are body-building food. They also help in repairing the damaged parts, especially after illness or injury. Food rich in proteins are meat, fish, eggs, cereals, pulses. Now let's go to vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are protective foods. Foods rich in vitamins are eggs, chicken, meat, pulses, fruits and vegetables. Now let's go to minerals. Minerals are also protective foods. Food rich in minerals are milk, fruits and green leafy vegetables. Now let's see about fats. Fats
warmth-giving food. Food rich in fats are oil, butter, cheese, ghee, etc. Now let's go to fiber. Fiber cleans the body. Food rich in fibers are grains, vegetables and fruits. No single food contains all the nutrients. So we have to eat all the foods in desired quantity. This is called a balanced diet. Thank you.